fresh testimony.
Many more happy returns of the day, sir.
Yes, madam, சொல்லுங்க.
Yeah, I'm following PVH since 21 June, and I had severe dark energy, and physically I was affected. I had black patches in my entire body.
Huh?
Yes.
கருப்பு இருக்குமா?
Ama.
Wow.
And first
எப்படி
time,
madam, you know, sometimes I know of people, they get attacked by the souls. It be like blue black. The blue black inside யாரோ அடிச்ச மாதிரி இருக்கும். ஆனா அந்த மாதிரி ஃபீலிங் வர அந்த மாதிரி இருந்துச்சு உங்களுக்கு?
and I had so this physical rape kind.
Oh, she got astral rape also.
I had astral rape and dark energies also.
இந்த அம்மாக்கு வந்து ரொம்ப டார்க் எனர்ஜி எஃபெக்ட் அட் த சேம் டைம் ஆஸ்ட்ரல் ரேப், அதாவது ஆன்மாவின் கற்பழிப்புன்னு சொல்றோம் பாத்தீங்களா, அதெல்லாமே
You
இவங்க
see,
வந்து ஃபாலோ.
nobody understand about astral because it never happened to you. But some people when they happen, they realize there's some energy is coming there and disturbing me. They know, some people know. You understand, madam? They do, until it do happen, they don't know. They don't want to know. They don't know at all. Very sad. Okay, சொல்லுங்க.
It was very disturbing, and there are no modalities which I had left.
Oh, you went?
Yeah.
Oh, எங்க போனீங்க?
நிறைய இந்த அத ரெடி பண்றதுக்கு நிறைய மோடாலிட்டி
I
போயிருக்காங்க.
was. Now I am not practicing. I am a Reiki grandmaster.
Grandmaster?
Yeah.
But எப்படி பண்ண கிராண்ட் மாஸ்டர் ஆகுறாங்க? நான் பார்க்கறேன் அந்த கிராண்ட் மாஸ்டர் எப்படி ஆகுறாங்க?
Reiki I had learned. Then naturopathy I had learned, and my diet is like the way you say in PVH. We are following the same kind of diet since a long time, as I have a good inclination towards the herbs, nature and all. So other things also, various modalities. I gave trial and error, some gurus, and it was very disturbing. The one which I said, astral rape, somebody said that this is there, but it wouldn't go. They gave me some hope, this would happen, that would happen. It was very initial when I got entry for Google Meet, and the first time itself, sir said that these are the problems, and he asked me various questions. I said yes, and he removed, and he asked me to
in the
follow
Google Meet. I removed it in Google Meet.
It was in Google Meet. It was very initial, a month or so.
இவங்களுக்கு வந்து சார் வந்து அந்த டார்க் எனர்ஜி ரிமூவல் வந்து கூகுள் மீட்ல பண்ணியிருக்காரு. கூகுள் மீட்ல அவர் கேட்ட கேள்விக்கெல்லாம் இவங்க எஸ் ஆர் நோ சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. கூகுள் மீட்லேயே அவங்க வந்து ரிமூவல் பண்ணியிருக்காரு சார்.
Initially, it was just 1.5 or 2 months maximum. I had entered PVH and I was following. I could feel that this is working to some extent because due to black magic, all my work was getting struck. It would go till the end and then everything would go in vain.
இவங்களுக்கு இருந்த அந்த செய்வன எஃபெக்ட்னால நிறைய வேலை தடப்பட்டிருக்கு. அதாவது ஒரு லெவல் வரைக்கும் போகும், அதுக்கப்புறம் அப்படியே ஸ்டாப் ஆயிருக்கு.
It would go to the last stage. I would think that it's all done, and all of a sudden the work would go off my hand, and I was in a very physical, mental, financial, everything you say, I was like zero. எல்லாத்துலயுமே தடை, ஃபிசிக்கலாவோ இல்லை நம்ம இது செல்வ செழிப்பில் எல்லாத்துலேயுமே தடை இருந்தது. மொத்தமாக ஒரு ஜீரோவாக நான் இருந்தேன் அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. And after Google Meet, sir removed the dark energies and he asked me to follow few protocols. Like you have to read these affirmation these many times. And I told him that financially I need finance because I am the sole person who's taking care of the family. So then he asked me that you have to read money affirmations. He said around 5 to 8 times initially he had asked me. So those days I used to think all the time I am doing PVH. Anytime I get up, all the time I am with the book.
சார் வந்து இவங்களுக்கு ஒரு சில ப்ரோட்டோகால் சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. அதாவது அஃபர்மேஷன் ஒரு நாளைக்கு எவ்வளோ தடவை படிக்கணும், அதாவது நம்மளோட செல்வ செழிப்பு அறிக்கை இருக்குது பார்த்தீங்களா, அது வந்து how many times மேடம், ஒரு
5 to 8 times,
5 to 8 தடவை வந்து படிக்க சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. அப்போ இந்த அம்மா என்ன ஃபீல் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க அப்படின்னா, நம்ம எப்போ பார்த்தாலும் பிவிஹெச் புக்கை வச்சுட்டே உட்காந்துருக்கோம், அதை ஃபாலோ பண்ணிகிட்டே இருக்கோங்கிற ஒரு உணர்வு அவங்களுக்குள்ளே வந்திருக்கு.
But I could surely feel the protection of what I was reading.
ஆனால் அதை படிக்க படிக்க அவங்களுக்குள்ள வந்து உண்மையாகவே நம்மளை ஏதோ ஒன்று வந்து காப்பாற்றுது, ஒன்று ப்ரொடெக்ட் பண்ணுது அப்படின்னு நினச்சிருக்கோம்.
I did not enter PVH blindly. Sorry to say, but
no, because you have been to many places, madam.
Yeah, but it was something
And
which
you're
was
a Reiki
giving me...
grandmaster, madam. I'm sure they have very, no.
அதே
See,
மாதிரி
I know,
இவங்க
you got
என்ன
everything, madam.
யா கரெக்ட்
You see, let me tell you, lots of healing mostly outside. Nobody talk about dark energy. Correct, madam?
Yes.
You know why? They don't know how to remove it.
And after PVH, I got to know what actually astral rape is. I had the impact of it, and we are proud here that this is the only modality that could remove the worst things which you cannot speak out anywhere.
Yes.
என்ன சொல்றாங்க அப்படின்னா இவங்க
You
வந்து
can't tell anybody.
எல்லா
Can't tell
Especially
anybody.
girls, especially ladies. We can't talk about it to our husband. We cannot
Exactly.
talk about it to our father.
We
We
cannot
cannot talk
share
about it
anywhere.
to our brother. How do you remove it? And when you go to some modality, they misguide you, they misuse you.
Misuse you. That is correct,
Not
madam.
misguide,
I'm
they
telling you.
misuse you.
Especially all the black men will misuse you. I've
Yeah.
seen women come and talking to me about all the how they were misused because of the black magic use. How much
And
they
mentally you
misuse.
are so disturbed that you just want to vent. So you get flow in the wrong direction.
we say everything to them
Yeah. I mean, you want rescue. So you pour out. You think that something would come out. I have a daughter, and the main fear was I need to have a grip of something which I can protect my daughter, and these things should never ever be in her life.
Correct.
So I'm very much, I'm privileged to be in PVH, and my daughter, I feel now totally safe for my daughter.
You know what
If
to
I'm
do.
in PVH.
If something happens, you know what to do, madam.
Yeah.
So what I do, madam, madam, what I'm going to do, I'm going to make an ambassador for Astral Red. Is it okay, madam?
No problem. Yes, sir.
So we put your phone number there in our group. Anyone go Astral Red, please contact her. Yes, I'm telling
See,
you
it's
this.
not
This is
No,
how you help
it's
people.
really, I mean, we females should be very happy. This modality is something where we can pour out anything, and we know that we are safe. Not only pouring out, the moment when I feel that this time it was I was not going to come. My ticket was not on. I had to get the train at 10:30. Till 7 o'clock, I didn't have any ticket or anything. Madam told me, put it in Divine and you carry on. I feed some few stray dogs, so I was little like, how do I leave them and go? So Madam told, put all the things on Divine and you go on. I got the ticket. How I came, I don't know. So it's all the Divine that makes you work, and it gives you the right path. Very recently, my daughter, she was trying for abroad. She was very keen for Europe. All of a sudden, Madam told me, do Divine for whatever is better for her soul. Immediately, something really which was very good. She has gone to Scotland. The moment I switched the Divine fire to whatever is good for her soul, immediately it all happened. I didn't have a single penny. Trust me. But things just, I don't know. Thanks to Sir, the Divine. Yeah, thanks to this soul who has given us so much of this courage.
please give a wonderful applause
I mean, see, if we keep saying there are a lot.
PVH எங்க ஜிமிட்ல பாதிக்கு क्वेश्चन ஆன்சர் பண்ணது இவங்க தான் சார். ஆமா சார். ஆரம்பிப்போம். நான் சொல்றேன் மேடம் ஆன்சர் ஆரம்பிச்சலாம் சார்.
Very
Sorry,
good, madam.
sorry.
No. We need people like you, madam, so that we
No,
can
because
spread to everybody.
I feel like all the females should come, and especially who have daughters. Like, you just don't have to worry about your daughters. You put it in Divine, and they are on the flow. Thank you very much, sir.
Give a word to
I
all
can
the women.
keep saying
Come on, give a
on
clap.
saying, but lots. But let others also share their.
thank you
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank